Hi guys, thanks so much for clicking. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful orange wig. This style was actually inspired by this look on Tanasha Donna's new song, and I just loved the color. So if you find this video helpful or if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. So this is the hair that I'm going to use. I used 3 packs for this tutorial, and of course I'm going to use the crochet method. I'll be using this crochet hook, the big one at the back, and then as I go closer to the parting, I'll be using a small crochet hook. So first of all, I went ahead and just cut the hair into half because I wanted my hair to be like short, like shoulder length. So I first of all cut it into half to create like a 12-inch wig. But then if you decide not to cut, you'll have something like this, like a 26-inch wig, because this hair is 26 inches. When I cut into half, it became 12 or 13 inches. When you crochet the back, make sure you space them well so that you don't run out of hair. And then now when you're done making the wigs, that's when you can fill at the back. Yeah, so I'm using this big crochet stick, and then as I go closer to the parting, I'll chain the crochet stick and use a smaller one. And then also when I go closer to the top, right now I'm picking like a generous amount of hair at the back, but then as I go close to the parting, I'll reduce the size of hair that I'll be using. All the things you've been taught, you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No. Before you go to sleep, keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Going to the place where all this began. Just start again. You won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No. This is my 3rd pack, and as I came closer to the parting, I reduced the amount of hair that I was picking, yeah, just to make it look more natural. So to create a parting, you have to change the crochet stick and use a very small one because you want it to look natural. So right now I'm just picking like 4 or 5 strands of hair, but then at the parting, like the parting area, I'll be picking 1 or 2 just to make it look more natural. Again, I'm marking right now just to guide me on where I'm supposed to crochet my hair. break down. I'm spraying the hair before I blow dry it, just to reduce the volume and also to make the hair shine. You can also use any solid hair oil. And here's my beautiful wig. Guys, just comment down below if you love it, if you love the color, and then if you want it to be full, then you don't have to blow dry it. And then also if you feel like there are some spaces at the back, you can just crochet more hair at the back. Yeah, so just comment down below, guys, if you love this wig. That was it for this video, guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you learned something from this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.